Having a crush can be an exciting yet nerve-wracking experience. You want to get to know them better and create a connection, but sometimes it's challenging to find the right words to say. Well, fear not. We've compiled a list of 10 thought-provoking questions that can help you initiate a conversation and deepen your understanding of your crush. 1. Hobbies and interests. What are your hobbies or favorite pastimes? This question can open the door to discussions about shared interests and potential activities you can enjoy together. 2. Musical tastes. What kind of music do you enjoy listening to? Musical preferences can reveal a lot about a person's personality, and you might discover some common musical favorites. 3. Books and authors. Do you have any favorite books or authors? This question allows you to explore their literary tastes and perhaps swap recommendations. 4. Ideal day or weekend. What's your idea of a perfect day or weekend? Understanding their ideal way to spend free time can provide insight into their aspirations and values. 5. Culinary preferences. Are you a foodie? What's your favorite type of cuisine? This question can lead to fun discussions about food adventures and restaurant recommendations. 6. Dream travel destination. What's your dream travel destination? Sharing travel dreams can create a sense of wanderlust and excitement about future adventures. 7. Hidden talents. Do you have any hidden talents or unusual skills? Discovering their hidden abilities can lead to entertaining and surprising revelations. 8. Memorable experiences. What's the most memorable experience you've had recently? This question can spark stories and memorable anecdotes that you can bond over. 9. Career aspirations. What are your career aspirations and goals? Understanding their professional ambitions can lead to conversations about mutual support and encouragement. 10. Valued qualities. What qualities do you value most in a person? This question delves into their personal values, providing an opportunity to explore your compatibility. Asking these questions not only helps you get to know your crush better, but also shows that you're genuinely interested in them as a person. Remember, the most important aspect of a conversation with your crush is to be a good listener and respond thoughtfully. Good luck.